Okay, so if we look at number one, obviously the beginning always starts out pretty simple. Okay, so number one says 3n plus 9n. Okay, some of you guys are struggling to figure out which. Brooke, what are you doing? Huh? Okay. So some of you guys that struggle to figure out which terms to combine, okay, I always look at it like a first name and a last name, okay? So if you have siblings, right, some of you guys have siblings, I'm not judging or whatever. Some people have siblings with the same last name, some people have siblings with different last names, right? Are you still family? Yeah, for sure, okay? So, for example, this is Ashley Henning, okay? And then maybe this is my brother, okay? His last name is still Henning. So we are in the same family, we can combine the two. Okay, so 3 plus 9, 12, and the last name is N. Anybody need a pencil? Just right, I had kids sitting there and they had no pencil and they just sat here this whole time. Okay, so 4b plus 5b, do they have the same last name? Yeah, so we can combine them to give us a 9b. Where's he put your phone up? Okay, so look at number 5. Okay, does this have a last name? No, it's not related to me at all. It's not a Henning. Okay, is this one a Henning? Does it have a last name? Yeah. What about this one? Yeah, so we can combine all the Hennings together. Okay, so I got a negative 8x and a 7x to give me what? Negative 1x. Have we used this other one out here in front? No. Can it be combined with anything? No. Okay, so we just drop it down. So it's just going to be 1 minus 1x. Can you see with all this crap right here? Okay, sorry. I can move this one because Zoom's not working. Okay, 7. So 7 says 4b minus 4 plus 8. What number is attached to this b right here? It's a 1. Okay, if you want to write the 1, write the 1. But it is a 1. George, before you get kicked off, Zoom is not working. It keeps going in and out. So there will be a video posted by lunch. So you're probably just better off watching that. But I will mark you down for attendance. Okay, so if we're looking at this one, I got a 4 times a 1 to give me a 4. How many b's do we have? 1. Okay, 4 times negative 4. Negative 16. Okay, some of you guys are going to do this. You're going to distribute this all the way to the 8. We're only doing inside the parentheses, okay? So we're not using the 8 yet, so you can drop it down. So plus 8. Okay, what can we combine? The negative 16 and 8. Okay, so this has a last name of what? B. Does this one?
No.
Does this one?
No.
No, so we can only combine the ones that have no last name. So negative 16 and a negative 8 to give me a negative 8. And we're going to drop this 4b down. Okay, what do we need to do first? Distribute. Okay, so we're gonna say boom, boom. So negative 10 times 5, negative 50. How many x's do we have? 1. Negative 10 times 6, minus 60. Have we used that 3x? Nope, so we're gonna drop it down. Okay, what can we combine? Yeah, so we can combine this one and this one. They both have a last name of x. So negative 50 and a negative 3 is going to give you negative 53 x minus 60, because the minus 60 can't be combined with anything. Gracie, put your phone up. Negative 4 minus 4x plus 8. Okay, what do we need to do first? Distribute. Okay, so negative 4 times 1, negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16. How many x's do we have? 1. Okay, and then we're going to drop the 8x down. What can we combine? 16 and 8 to give me what? 24x, and then I got this minus 4. Hey, how come you can't combine these two? They're not the same. They're not in the same family. They're not in the same math class. Nothing, okay? They're not the same. You can't put them together. Okay, so I got a 4r, and then r plus 4 in parentheses, plus 7r squared. Okay, what do we need to do first? Distribute. Okay, what number is attached to this r? So 1, so 4 times 1, 4, how many r's do I have? 2, so it'll be r squared. 4 times 4, 16, how many r's do I have? 1. And then I got 7r squared over here. Okay, what can I combine? The 4 and the 7. Okay, so you gotta look at their last names and make sure they're the same. So I got r squared, an r, and an r squared. Okay, the r squareds we can combine together. So a 4 and a 7 to give me 11 r squared plus the 16r. Okay, what do we need to do first? Yeah, some of y'all are giving me some funny looks today. Okay, what do we need to do first? Yeah, you need to do the parentheses first. Okay, so we're going to distribute first. So 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 7. How many n's? 1 n. Okay, and then I got a negative 3 over here. What can we combine? The negative 3 and the 8, okay, they have no last name. They're in the same family. So to give me 5 plus 56n. Okay, 17. What are we going to do first? Distribute. So negative 4 times negative 9. Positive 36. Negative 4 times negative 9. Positive 36. How many x's? 1. And then I got a plus 3 over here. What can we combine?
36 and 3.
Which 36?
The first one.
The first one. Okay, so yeah, 39